Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 4 Exogenetic Processes part 2. Today's point is work of glaciers and landforms. Look at the picture of glaciers. What is mean by glacier? Glacier is a river which is snow covered, or glacier is a snow covered river. In the region where the temperatures are below freezing point, precipitation in the form of snowfall, layers of snow accumulate on the earth's surface because of snowfall. The heavy weight of these overlaying layers makes the snow move along the slope. At the base of the layer, the snow starts melting because of the friction and the pressure from above. Glacier starts moving slowly along the slope. Like the river, a glacier too carries out the work of erosion, transportation and deposition. Now let's see explanation of this point. Glaciers are originated where the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius, it means below freezing point. When the temperature is below freezing point, the precipitation means water droplets are converting into snowfall. Snowfall means ice particles. It means water drops are converting into ice particles because of the low temperature. So we see that most of the glaciers are originated in the Himalayan ranges because Himalayan mountainous ranges are located at the highest altitude and the temperature of that region is always below 0 degrees Celsius throughout the year. It means temperature is always below freezing point throughout the year in the Himalayan region. So rivers, glaciers are originated in the Himalayan mountainous regions. When water droplets are converting into small ice particles, the layers of the snow accumulate on the earth's surface because of snowfall. The heavy weight of ice layers makes the snow move along the slope. At the base of layers, the snow starts melting because of the friction and pressure from above. It means when ice particles are collected on the earth's surface, it increases weight, and because of overlaying layers, the snow move along the slope. Due to the pressure and friction, ice particles start melting. As the ice particles start melting, glacier starts moving slowly along the slope, like the river. Glaciers also carry out the work of erosion, transportation and deposition like river. Here are given some pictures of glaciers. You have to look at how the glaciers are looking like and how the ice particles, snowfall are accumulated on the earth's surface. Our next point is erosion work by glaciers. Though its velocity is less, its glacier's velocity is less. Velocity means speed. Though the glacier's speed is less, the mass of ice is more and hence the glacier erodes its own bank and its bed on a large scale. We have seen the erosional work of river. When river flows with fast speed, it erodes river bank and river bed portion. In the same way here, when glacier flows, it also erodes river bank portion and river bed portion on a large scale. As the glaciers flow along with the mass of ice, glaciers erode the bank portion as well as river bed portion on a large scale, like rivers, and it is the erosional work of glaciers. Due to the erosional work of glaciers, some landforms are produced, like cirques, arêtes, horns, U-shaped valleys, hanging valleys, and rocky mountains or shipbacks. Look at the pictures. Here are given some pictures of some landforms which are created by glaciers. Next point is transportation and deposition by glaciers. In transportation, the glaciers carry sediments along with them. These sediments are called moraines. Moraine is a material which is left behind by a moving glacier. This material is usually soil and rock. As per the location of deposition, moraines can be divided into four types. 1. Ground moraines, 2. Lateral moraines, 3. Medial moraines, and 4. Terminal moraines. Due to the depositional work of glaciers, some landforms are produced. Landforms like drumlins, eskers, etc. Students, look at the figure 4.2a. There are given moraines and their types. Look at the picture. It is the picture of transportational work of glacier. It is the picture of Hanging Valley. Hanging Valley is a one kind of landform which is created due to the erosional work of the glacier. Try to understand the various landforms produced by the work of glaciers. Do you know? Glaciers move at different velocities daily, ranging from 1 centimeter to 1 meter. The Jakob Shavon Glacier in Greenland is one of the fastest moving glaciers in the world. It moves at the rate of 46 meters per day. Students, look at the picture here. The picture of Jakob Shavon Glacier in Greenland. It is one of the fastest moving glaciers in the world. It moves at the rate of 46 meters per day. Students, look at this picture. It is the picture of glacial landform. It is the picture of cirque. Cirque is a one kind of landform which is created due to the erosional work of the glacier. Some pictures of the landforms formed by glaciers are given below. Write in the box below the function because of which they have been formed. Here is given the picture of cirque and horns. It is created due to the erosional work of glaciers. Here is given the picture of U-shaped valley. U-shaped valley, it is a one kind of landform which is created due to the erosional work of glaciers. Here is given the picture of lateral and medial moraines. Lateral and medial moraines are created due to the depositional and transportational work of the glacier. Here is given the picture of drumlins. Drumlins, it is a one kind of landform which is created due to the depositional work of the glacier. In next picture there is given Rocky Mountains. It is the erosional work of the glacier. Students, look at the figure 4.2b. It is the picture of ground moraine. Here is given the picture of Hanging Valley. Hanging Valley, it is a one kind of landform which is created due to the erosional work of glacier. In the last picture, there is given the picture of eskers. Eskers, it is a one kind of landform which is created due to the depositional work of glacier. Can you tell? Question number 1. Where can you see the work by glaciers in India? Answer. We can see the work of glaciers in Himalayan ranges in India. Question number 2. In which natural region can you see the work of glaciers at sea level? Answer is, we can see the work of glaciers at sea level in tundra natural region. Think about it. Can you see a glacier moving just as you can observe the movement of river water? Answer is, as glacier is a body of solid ice. Its speed of movement is comparatively slow. As river is a body of liquid water, its speed of movement is comparatively fast. Therefore, We cannot see a glacier moving just as we can observe the movement of the river water. In this way, we have seen work of glacier and landforms. Thank you.